Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to remove any game from your Steam library permanently. Start by opening up Steam. Next, go to Library and click on the game you want to delete permanently. After that, go to the Support tab and click on it. A list will show where you can alert Steam that you have a problem with the game, but here you can also delete the game permanently by choosing the last option. Beware, this is not a request for a refund. If you would like to request a refund, check out my tutorial on that. Also, if you don't want anyone to see this game in your library, you can also hide it. But if you are certain you want to delete this game permanently, click on OK. Remove the listed games from my account permanently. Your game is now deleted permanently. Now to hide a game, right-click on the game and choose Manage and next, Hide this game. Thanks for watching and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.